So if you don't want to fall victim like this my student just did, guys, like she fall victim to a supplier, then you need to watch this video. Like you need to watch this video to the end, because I am going to be showing you what she did wrong and also how she can like prevent this issue for you. So I have my second phone right here because I have the pictures and image and everything I want to show you guys, and I'm going to be showing it on the screen, guys, so you can also follow along. And also, like I said, this is an educative video, so if you want to see more of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So without wasting much of your time, let us jump right in, guys. So as you can see here, she messaged me, like she said, like, make una help me, oh, China people won't kill me. So she now sent the picture of the bag she wants to get, guys. And as you can see here, these are the pictures. So I'll be showing the pictures right here on the screen. As you can see here, this is the picture of the bag she actually wants to get. And as you can see here, this is a beautiful bag, guys. In fact, this bag even has purse and also has like an holder, guys. So this is actually a good bag, guys. As you can see here, this is also another color of the bag. So this is actually a beautiful bag. So this is actually what she wants to get from China, guys. Yes, guys, so that's what she wants to get from China. Then she also sent the picture of the supplier, guys, like the chat with the supplier. So she sent the chat of her and the supplier. As you can see here, the supplier says, okay, all right, waiting. As you can see here, hi friend. So the supplier sent her a live picture, guys. So that is one thing I also tell my students, guys, like when you are buying things from a supplier, always ask for a live picture, especially if it is like a first time supplier, guys. So like this is the first time you are buying from this supplier, always ask for a live picture, live videos, anything live, whether it is live picture or live video. So most of the time the supplier might actually not be at work, so the supplier will tell you that, oh, when he or she gets to work the next day, like she is going to send you the video or the picture. So most of the time they will send it to you. In fact, if you ask for a live video or a live picture from a supplier and the supplier didn't send it to you, don't buy from the supplier. So as you can see here, she did the right thing. She asked for a live video. So the supplier actually sent her a live video. As you can see here, this is the live video. That's beautiful, guys. So she paid, she made payment, everything is done. So after she made payment, then the next thing is that she asked for a packaging video, which means like when the supplier is packaging our goods, guys, like she wants to see how everything looks. Then the supplier sent her this. So as you can see, guys, she's doing the right thing. So the supplier already sent her the packaging videos, everything. So she even she felt excited by the video the supplier sent. As you can see here, even if I am the one buying that type of bag and the supplier sent me the live video like that, like when the supplier is packing our goods, I will be so happy too, because that is actually a good picture, like a good video and everything. Then the next thing is that when our goods arrive after 3 months later, so this is what the supplier sent to her. As you can see here, she said, what I ordered. So she sent the bags, what came. So this is actually the video, like the picture that the supplier sent to her. As you can see here, the product, the product the supplier sent to her. And this is actually not what she ordered, guys. In fact, I'll play the video to you now so you can see. So as you can see here, that's also the second video. So that is actually different, guys. As you can see here, this is what she ordered and this is what she got. As you can see here, that is totally two different things. So now that is actually what happened, and with everything I explained right now, you'll be looking at, so what goes wrong? She actually did the right thing. Actually, she did the right thing, but there is also some things left that she abandoned, guys. Yes, and also I will say this, that she actually fall into this scam because of her greed. Yes, I'll say she's greedy, and let me explain. So this is what happened. So if you see this kind of bag right here, as you can see here, this bag is very beautiful. So this bag is very beautiful. As you can see here, in fact, the bag even have a purse. and you see the price for 12 yuan. So let me show you guys. This bag is sold for 12 yuan, 12.50 yuan. That's the amount the supplier actually listed this bag. So that is where like she should be careful. She will be like, wow, this bag for 12.5 yuan, like it is too cheap. In fact, cheap is an understatement. It is way too cheap. So if you see this type of bag for this kind of amount, you should definitely know that you are not getting quality bag, or you are not getting exactly what you ordered. So that is where everything goes wrong, guys, because you can't buy this bag for 12.5 yuan. It is so cheap. Yes, guys, like it is way too cheap. Like way too cheap. So she can never see this type of bag for that amount. So what just happened is that the supplier actually scammed her. So, well, I would say it's not her fault. So now, that is what happened. So now let me tell you how you can actually prevent this thing from happening, guys. So let's say this is your first time of buying goods from China and you don't actually want to fall scam. Let's say you actually want to get this type of bag. So one thing I do advise people to do is that you need to picture search. Yes. If you picture search now, you will actually see the amount this bag is actually sold for, like the average amount this bag is sold for. So if you picture search, you will see that the average amount this bag is good, like is being sold is around 50, 60 yuan, 70 yuan, 40 yuan. So that is how this price should be sold, guys. Like that is the amount this price is being sold. But you seeing this bag for just 12.5 yuan, you should know that you are definitely getting scammed. Yes, you should know that you are definitely getting scammed. You are not getting a quality product. So that is what she should have done. Like she should have picture search and like compare the price. You should have compared the price that, oh, why is most of this supplier listed this bag for like 50 yuan, 60 yuan, 70 yuan, and then yours is very cheap, which is just 12. It's not 40 yuan. It's not like 39 yuan. It's not like 38 yuan. You see it for 12 yuan. You should definitely think that there is something actually going wrong, guys. So that is what she should have done, guys. So that's just it, guys. So that is just it. That is what happened. That is what she did wrong. She got greedy and actually want to buy something cheaper, like way cheaper, guys. So that's just it. Yes, China actually sells like a cheaper product, yes, but also you should also know that if a price is way too cheap, then you should know that you are definitely getting scammed. So it's just as simple as that, guys. So in fact, this bag right here, so if you want to sell it in your country, let's say you want to sell it in Nigeria now, this bag can be sold for like 40,000, 50,000 naira. And you are buying that bag for just 12.5 yuan. Do you know how much is that? That's just like 3,000 naira. So that's way too cheap. So way too cheap. So this bag now should cost like, let's just say 15,000. Then after shipping, it should be like the total should be like 22,000 to like 25,000. Then it can now be sold for like 50,000 or 40,000 or 45,000, depends on the seller, guys. So that is how it should be, not you buying the bag for like 3,000. That's way too cheap, guys. So that's just it, guys. So if you have learned one or two information from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. And that's just what I want to share to you today. And thank you for watching to this moment, guys, and hope you have subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.